Good morning, students. Once again, we'll continue with concentration of solution. Yesterday, we have seen that concentration of solution can be expressed in terms of mass percent. Today, the next term, we have ppm. ppm is parts per million. Now, if a solute is present in very small quantity, trace quantity, and amount of solvent is very large, for example, fluoride ions in river. River contain plenty of water and the fluoride ions may be very small as compared to total amount of water. So in that case, the concentration is expressed in terms of ppm. Now ppm is calculated as ratio of number of parts of particular component to the every 10 is to 6, that is every million parts of water. If solvent is another solution, 10 is to 6 part of that particular solvent. So ppm is useful mainly to check the purity of drinking water, sample of drinking water. Next we have mole fraction chi. This particular term we have studied in 11th standard. Mole fraction means fraction of mole. Fraction of mole of solute or solvent. So mole fraction of solute will be ratio of number of mole of solute to the total number of moles of all component in solution. Similarly, mole fraction of solvent will be number of mole of solvent divided by or the ratio of number of mole of solvent to the total number of mole of all component in solution. So if chi b represents number of mole of chi b represents mole fraction of solute, then number of mole of solute divided by number of mole of solvent and solute if it is containing only two components. If it contains three components, one more term will be added here. And this is the formula how we calculate number of mole of solute. It is given mass of solute, given weight of solute divided by its molar mass. So if solute is glucose molar mass is 180. If solute is NaCl, its molar mass is 53.5 and so on. So whatever is molar mass, that will come in denominator. Similarly, chi A is mole fraction of solvent and it is calculated as number of mole of solvent divided by total number of mole of all component in solution, that is Na plus Nb, and the same way we can calculate Na. Now for a particular solution, if it contains only two components, then chi A plus chi B means mole fraction of solvent and mole fraction of solute, their addition will be equal to 1. If your solution contains many components, then chi A plus chi B plus till chi n components, whole addition will be equal to 1. So whatever is total number of component, if you add mole fraction of all of them, answer is equal to 1. Next we have molarity, which is denoted with letter capital M. And capital M can be calculated as number of moles of solute in given volume of solution, which is expressed in liter. So number of mole of solute in given volume of solution, which is expressed in liter. Or since ND is equal to WB upon MB, I can write that M is equal to WB upon MB into V in ml. Into V in liters. Suppose I express V in ml, then numerator must be multiplied with 1000 to convert the units. So I have one more formula, or it is WB upon MB into V in ml multiplied with 1000 in numerator. So either we use this formula or we use this formula. Now earlier expression unit, that is mole fraction, does not contain any unit because it is a ratio or a fraction. But molarity has either unit m, it is expressed as capital M, or its unit is, this is mole per liter, number of mole. So it is mole per dm cube, or it is expressed as mole per liter. So these are the unit of molarity. Now if volume of solution is expressed in ml, you use this formula. If expressed in liter, you use this formula for calculation purpose. And definition of molarity is, it is number of mole of solute in 1 liter of solution. Next important denomination we have molality or small m. Now the difference is only R and L. You have seen that I have changed R to L. So molality, when we talk of molality, we talk of number of mole of solute once again, but not in volumes, in given mass of solvent. For molarity it was solution, for molality it is mass of solvent. So it is calculated as molality of solute is equal to number of mole of solute divided by mass of solvent WA in kilogram. As we already know, NB is equal to WB upon MB, that is given mass upon molar mass. We can also write molality of solute is equal to WB upon MB multiplied with WA in kilogram, where WA is weight of solvent or given mass of solvent. Now if given mass of solvent is expressed in grams, then MB can be expressed as WB upon MB into WA in gram. In gram, so it has to be multiplied in numerator with 1000 to convert kilogram into gram. So whatever unit is given for the given mass of solvent, that you need to substitute. Beside these 5 factors or 5 way of expressions which are given in textbook to express the concentration of solution, we also have normality and formality. In normality, we take number of gram equivalents in given amount of solution in 1 liter of solution, and in formality we take number of formula mass or formula weight of substance in given amount of solution or expressed in liters. But those two terms we are rarely using, so you just prepare for these 5 terms, specifically molality and molarity, because it's interconvertible also. Molarity and molality of the same solution will be different, because in one case it is volume of solution, in another case it is mass of solvent. So there it differs, and that difference is based on density, because density is mass upon volume. So with this you need to remember one more formula, that is density of solution can be calculated as mass of solution upon volume of solution. Okay. So if you are given mass, you can calculate volume if density is provided, and if you are given volume, you can calculate mass if density is provided. So you can also calculate molarity and molality if any one term is given. So numericals will solve in the regular school because it is not possible to solve on this small board. Just prepare it and find some simple numericals from the in-text question. If you can solve on your own because we have already done all these terms in 11th standard. So we'll continue the topic tomorrow.